So in terms of depression, so as I said, stress is like multiple thoughts coming at a time and you can't prioritize it. Same way, in a science language, you can say depression is something, it's a very low frequency. So when you see the symptoms of depression, it's like you don't like to waking up, you don't like to go to the school or college, you are with the friends but you are not, you feel lonely, you feel alone, you are like maybe overeating, started overeating, or maybe you are don't like to eat anything, or there are many symptoms. So there are thousands of symptoms or having a depression. As you rightly said, it can be a 3 months, 3 years, or anything, 3 weeks maybe. But that phase you need to identify that what is happening to you, and the reasons could be anything. So right now the generation, the Gen Z especially, they don't have the patience level. So what happens, they want everything instant, they want everything, they have a very high expectation to the society, to the parents, to the uh, himself or herself also. So that is the major reason when they have a lot of expectations, and it not, when it फुलफिल नहीं हो रहा है वो चीज़ें, एंड देन यू फील दैट मेरी लाइफ का तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. So they were started deriving into that sadness phase first, and then डिप्रेशन. एंड अगर बहुत ज़्यादा वो बाहर नहीं आ पाए, देन इट्स लाइक डीप डिप्रेशन और सीवियर डिप्रेशन लेवल के, जहाँ पे लाइक एक delusion. So I had this phase, so I remember for those 3 years I don't remember, I don't have much strong memory even. So your जो प्री फ्रंटल लोब है, जिसका बेसिक काम ही है जो फंक्शनलिटी डे टू डे लाइफ, वो भी धीरे धीरे डिप्राइव होता जाता है और वो भी वर्क नहीं करता है. सो दीज आई डोंट थिंक सो डिप्रेशन इज समथिंग, it could be like same, the stress happens. So there are two ways, like for an example, something happened to your life, the problem came into your life. So either you are going in a stress phase or depression phase. So the same causes, maybe the finance, the parental pressure, the relationship issues, breakups, the expectations, peer pressures, the competition is there, a lot of having, even they've set the very high bar for themselves, or sometimes they have, like parents have set the very high bar for the kid, and they are not able to crack it. Sometimes the results are not announced and they do the suicide things. So I was like, I have a very big learning when I was in that phase, is that um, your brain is your like biggest weapon. So if it turns against you, then nobody can save you. But if you can, learn to how to work with the brain, then the sky is the limit.
So, talking about depression again, uh, you talked about the most common causes of depression. Okay.
Hmm.
So, what can be the? I've seen depression across all the categories. Correct. It is there among students as well. It is there upon working professionals as well. One common thing, one common mistake, I think, which I notice amongst people is that lack of a proper routine and lack of proper biomarkers are also one of the most common reasons why people go through depression. For example, one of my, as a nutritionist, he told me that if you have lack of vitamin D and vitamin B12 in your body, those can also be reasons that you might suffer through a mild depression in your life. So I think proper biomarkers are also necessary to maintain your mental health in your life. So do you know about these relations, as in proper biomarkers? What sort of body chemistry is required to maintain mental health in your body?
Of course, I don't have much knowledge about this biomarkers, but yeah, I believe the 80% of the people who are suffering with the mental health issue, अगर वो एक चीज़ ठीक करना चाहे, then it's routine.